It's iPhone season again, and you know what that means. New cases flooding the market faster than you can say MagSafe. If you're anything like us, your old phone tends to take its final dive onto the pavement right when the upgrade arrives. Lesson learned: a solid case is non-negotiable. Today, we're breaking down 7 of the best iPhone 17 Pro cases. Whether you want sleek, rugged, or just plain stylish, we've got you covered. If you're the type who worries about that heart-stopping moment when your phone slips, the ESR Cyber Tough case is worth a look. What makes it stand out is the camera control feature, letting you adjust settings with quick taps or swipes right through the case. Perfect for snapping those on-the-go shots. It's not just about convenience, though. With a 3-layer build and military-grade protection, it's been tested to survive drops up to 23 feet, which is pretty wild. The outer shell resists scratches, while the inner shell cushions impact so your iPhone stays safe. And for MagSafe users, the 1500G magnetic lock ensures accessories stay put and wireless charging clicks right into place every time. Tough, smart, and surprisingly sleek, this case covers all the bases without feeling bulky. Next up, we've got the TORRAS silicone case. And this one's all about blending comfort, style, and serious protection. At first glance, it feels soft and smooth, thanks to its food-grade liquid silicone. But don't let that fool you. Underneath, it packs a 4-layer defense system tested for 12-foot drops. The built-in 360-degree spin stand is a game-changer for hands-free video calls, binge-watching, or even snapping timed photos. Plus, with its stronger-than-Apple MagSafe magnets, your phone stays secure on car mounts or chargers without slipping. The soft micro-suede lining adds a touch of luxury, while reinforced corners and impact-absorbing silicone handle the heavy lifting. And for camera lovers, the precise camera control button ensures your shot stays smooth without accidental bumps. It's a case that feels premium, protects like a tank, and makes everyday use a whole lot easier. If your iPhone 17 Pro is going everywhere with you, beach trips, hikes, or even snorkeling, the SPIDERCASE is built for exactly that. This case brings serious IP68 waterproofing, keeping out water, dust, snow, and everyday spills, so your phone stays safe and clean even after messy adventures. It's fully sealed with 360-degree protection, tested for 15-foot drops, and blocks dust and dirt to prevent scratches and fading. Inside, you still get precise cutouts and soft, responsive buttons, plus a built-in screen protector that maintains touch sensitivity. Sound quality is also surprisingly clear, thanks to upgraded materials that line up perfectly with the speakers. And you can pop open the charging port cover for better call audio. Add wireless charging compatibility to the mix, and you've got a rugged case that doesn't feel like it's compromising usability. If you want your iPhone 17 Pro wrapped in something that looks as tough as it performs, the UAG Monarch Pro delivers. This case combines 5 layers of protection, from a shock-resistant core to carbon fiber/vegan leather inlays and an impact-resistant rubber surround, all inside UAG's signature armor frame. Despite that rugged build, it stays surprisingly light and easy to handle, thanks to the contoured perimeter edge with anti-slip grip. It's also fully MagSafe compatible, with a built-in magnet module for seamless charging and accessory use. UAG hasn't skimped on usability either. Precise cutouts, oversized tactile buttons, and raised edges keep your screen and camera safe without blocking functionality. Plus, it's been drop-tested to 25 feet, 5 times the military standard, so you know it's built for real-world accidents. If you need ultimate protection without sacrificing style or convenience, this case is hard to beat. If you're after a case that feels more like a luxury accessory than a rugged shell, the TORRO leather case is a standout. Handcrafted from premium top-grain cowhide leather, it's minimally treated to preserve that natural, classic look, which means it'll develop a unique patina over time. Despite its elegant feel, it's practical too. The precision fit gives full access to your screen, buttons, ports, and camera, while the glass camera control button makes taking photos effortless. Inside, a soft microfiber lining keeps the back of your iPhone 17 Pro protected from scratches. It's also MagSafe charging compatible, so you can snap it onto an official MagSafe charger without removing the case. Slim, sleek, and stylish, this case blends everyday usability with a premium finish. Perfect if you want to protect your phone without hiding its sophistication. The CASEKOO MagicStand case brings functionality and protection together in a smart design. Its hidden foldable kickstand, made from lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum, keeps your iPhone 17 Pro stable for movies, video calls, or hands-free recipes. MagSafe users will love the 48 high-strength magnets arranged with MagPrime array technology, providing twice the magnetic strength of Apple's standard. Perfect for secure car mounts and 25-watt wireless charging. On the protection side, the case offers 16-foot all-around drop defense, AirPad cushioning, a raised screen bezel, and a lens module that reduces camera scratches by 50%. The matte semi-transparent back and nubuck texture, anti-slip sides, give a secure grip while resisting fingerprints, oils, and lint. Sleek, durable, and practical, the MagicStand case combines everyday convenience with serious protection, making it a top choice for iPhone 17 Pro users who want both style and functionality. The elago silicone case combines sleek design with everyday practicality. Its built-in N55 MagSafe ring ensures your iPhone 17 Pro snaps securely to chargers, wallets, and car mounts without slips or interruptions, making wireless charging effortless. The grippy liquid silicone not only feels soft and luxurious in hand, but also absorbs shocks, while the inner microfiber lining keeps the phone free from micro-scratches. With raised edges around the screen and camera, your device stays protected from scratches and minor drops. Yet the slim profile maintains full MagSafe and wireless charging compatibility. Designed with simplicity and elegance in mind, elago's approach makes this case feel sophisticated while still being practical for everyday use. Quick to clean, easy to hold, and reliable in protection, it's a great choice for anyone who wants a stylish, functional case that complements the premium look of the iPhone 17 Pro. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the 7 best iPhone 17 Pro cases. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Are you team ultimate protection or minimalist elegance? Let us know in the comments.